Hello friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen veggie burgers in the air fryer. So what we need is frozen veggie burgers and a cooking spray so they don't stick to the air fryer. So now let me open this package of frozen veggie burgers, and you can use any brand and any type of veggie burger. So I'm going to take them out of the packaging. Now let's take out the air fryer basket, and I will spray the bottom with a non-stick cooking spray. And as an alternative to spray, you can also brush the air fryer basket with oil. So now let's put the burgers in the air fryer basket in a single layer. So you can cook as many as fit in a single layer without crowding. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's take out the air fryer basket and flip the veggie burgers over so they cook evenly on both sides. And now let's put the basket back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these delicious veggie burgers, so perfectly brown. They look so crispy and delicious. And they're perfectly cooked on the inside, straight from frozen. Now air fryers differ, so this time is enough for my air fryer. If yours are not fully cooked through, you can always put it back in the air fryer for a few more minutes. Now mine are perfectly cooked through, so let me take them out of the air fryer. So they're crispy without frying, so healthy and so easy. Air fryer is perfect for cooking veggie burgers. Now I'm going to make a burger. So I'm just going to use a bun and spread it with ketchup and mustard. And you can use any toppings you like. And now let's add the veggie burger. And I'm going to top it with onion slices and lettuce. This looks so good. I'm so excited about trying it. Now let's try it. So delicious. This tastes amazing, so crunchy on the outside and perfectly cooked inside. You will love it. If you like veggie burgers, make them in the air fryer. This is the absolute best way of cooking them. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!